You want a cup of tea? I got you. So, I have not been on here in a long time. I hope you can forgive me. But we are celebrating the 1 year anniversary of Picture This. Yes, my very first travel series in San Francisco. And I want to celebrate in a way that kind of speaks to who I am as an artist. I am a documentary photographer. I know on YouTube a lot of you suggest that I am a street photographer. I'm not opposed to it, but I have been going by documentary photographer for years now. That some of my work up there, which I don't think you guys saw because the last video I did, that work was actually still up at the library. But it's here now. And also I got some great news. I have been working on my first documentary film. That's right. And it will be out in the film festivals in April. I'm not going to tell you which ones yet, but stay tuned and you'll start to see some things dropping on the channel. But yeah, for today, I want you guys to just kind of see what my street photography, documentary photography style was in San Francisco when I was shooting Picture This. So take a look. It's pretty raw. If there are some street photographers, documentary photographers out there, let me know what you think. Let me know what you're filming with and what you're shooting with. But yes, thank you guys again for all your support and happy 1 year anniversary for Picture This. Mwah. Drink some tea. Lipton tea. Oh,
Right, almost across from it is Ghirardelli.
what was it called?
Ghirardelli.
Ghirardelli?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
In San Francisco, there's a place called Ghirardelli Square. So either one.
Okay, yeah, we'll check it out. I'm looking for ice cream and soup. I love soup.
Then there's a little French place.
Oh, French place.
Across the street. Keep going. A little French place called Suzette's.
Suzette's.
Yeah.
That's where I'll go.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Oh, what is the next one?
I hope they're open. Oh, they are. Oh, wow. When I say inside or outside? I kind of like, yeah, I love this section. So we gotta go that way.
Which way?
That way.
Go straight?
Yeah. You wanna get some shots of yourself as well?
Nice.
All right, so we have made it to the Golden Gate Bridge, but it is freezing, so I need to properly dress. Thank God I brought an extra flannel, my favorite flannel. Oh my gosh, guys, it is cold out here. And I'm hoping that we make it to the other side because it looks like it just goes straight into an abyss. So I'll let you know if we actually get a chance to make it over there. Oh, that feels so much better.
okay.
I remember the glory days before the crack era.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I have a keen memory. I remember when I was a baby.
Really?
Wow.
So I remember everything like around me. My
Yeah.
surroundings.
What would you say is the biggest change that you see here in Oakland from when you were a kid?
Well, for me, family-wise, when I was a kid, Black families were more like
Together.
yeah,
In the 70s
and 80s,
and 80s.
Yep.
and even a little bit in the 90s.
Yeah, I miss that. Yeah, I do family portraits. I do like free family portraits for people down in Miami because I love just like, you know, the family dynamic. I don't see that no more.
You draw too?
No, I'm a documentary photographer.
Oh.
Yeah,
Wow.
so
both of y'all do film and photography type.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I'm a musician.
And music too. Oh, actually, I want to get the whole row. I'm gonna close it. Thank you, baby. I figured if I want the best shot, I should come up with the photographers. Yeah, I got the best view, I'm sure. Oh, I got a raindrop on my.
Well, anyway, that's it. I want to thank you so much again just for celebrating with me and for supporting me throughout the years. And a lot of you have gotten me through one of my toughest moments. If you've been here, then you know what's been going on. And I just want to thank you and can't wait to share more with you. All right, be blessed. Happy New Year. You want a cup of tea? I got you.